So that simulation finished. Let's look at the length of this toolpath. We're gonna right click on it and click properties. Looks like we're in range, but this toolpath, we're not gonna make a transition, it's just gonna be this one side. So we're gonna save this transition as fin 1. Save this simulation as fin 1. Okay, we're gonna save our project. And now we're gonna click this new paper to create a new program. Don't need to save my changes because once we generate the program, we already have it. So I'm gonna say AFC fin 1M. Right click, add a toolpath, fin 1. And so I'm going to check that comes in, starts. Looks good. So now I'm going to write this program. Okay, so our next simulation has saved, has finished. So I'm going to double check the properties. It's about the same length, so it should be good for our next program. So I'm going to save that simulation as fin 2. can see our progress. Okay, that is saved. So now we're going to create a new robot program. A F C fin 2 F and toolpath fin 2. Okay, it's loaded, so let's check it in the replay. Starts fine, looks good. Now let's write this program. Write robot program. And when this completes, then we will have written the 4 programs, or 3 programs, 4 toolpaths, and 3 programs that we need to mill this piece. Then for the next section, we'll transfer our toolpaths to a flash drive and load it on the robot.
It's recording.
It's recording now?
Yes.
Okay. So, we finished writing our toolpaths and making our programs. We have one roughing program which with a transition that connects our two roughing passes, and then we have two individual passes for our finishing. So now we need to transfer these programs we've written to a flash drive so we can put on the robot. So I have saved these, which is a good practice to do. That makes them always accessible. On the desktop there's PowerArt shares, PO 109. My class is saved as Dave. 2018. And then this was Faraday's project. Called it Flower. So then in plugin data, robot interface, output files. So these are the three programs we've written. So I'm going to put in my flash drive. Open the flash drive. And I'm going to move these files. Yes. Okay, so now I've copied my programs onto the flash drive. If we open them up, we can look, each program has a main program that's a .src and a .dat, and that's for the whole program. That's what we're going to run on the computer, and then it also has each individual toolpath, an SRC and a data. And if we open these up, we can see the type of code that this is. And so it has an intro, lists the start position, and then it has the coordinates for each movement. So this is what tells the robot what to do. We don't need to get any more in depth than that right now. So we have these on our flash drive. So now I'm going to eject the flash drive. Okay. And now we can take this to the robot and we'll start the robot and load the program.